Engine's back in, everything's in, except for the exhaust. Oh, that's a lot of smoke. What the heck? No, you don't want to start. Power! I'm here, and this is the problem. I have an issue with my vehicle. I was getting bubbles in my oil. We had a low oil pressure light flickering. Bubbles, eh? What I decided to do was take my engine apart. But first, before I took my engine apart, I took the oil pan off and I redid these seals. And these O-rings were very messed up. One was like half in, the other one was half in. Whoever owned this car last did it wrong. When I bought this engine, the RVT was not even dry, so it was very obvious that the engine had been worked on very recently, like right before they junked it. But I think I found the culprit, and I had to pull the motor to get to it. This is where the oil pressure goes. Before it goes here, it goes to the pump, and the pump is here, and it sits in there. Like, this is very hot. I'm not touching that. But it goes in here. The oil pressure goes here. But it comes from here. So there's a vacuum here. What I believe happened, it seems like there is absolutely no gasket. Somewhere in here is leaking. It goes across there or it goes across in there. So I think that's my issue there. I actually don't even know if that's the problem. But you know, one of the signs when I pulled it apart was that when I picked this up off of there, it didn't make a crunching noise, and typically when you take these apart they make a crunch, like a you hear the gasket breaking because they usually are brittle. So we got midsection resealed, we got that valve cover. This was leaking, got a new gasket for that. I got a brand new timing belt. I don't know where it went. Somewhere. There's a timing belt here somewhere. I think I don't know where it went. What the heck? Oh, I found it. It's right here. So I got a brand new timing belt off the old motor. The old motor has no more timing system on it. I actually kind of like that motor better, but this is just temporary. So when you install your timing belt, you know, you just put it in like this, right? Just like that. Well, no, that's wrong, because if you look here at the letters, they're not facing you. So when you go to do the timing, you have to read that it's a Volvo. So this is the correct way to put it on, where you can read Volvo clearly facing the front of the engine. So when you do timing, the best way to do it is you use a zip tie. You tie the thing on so it doesn't move, and it's lined up with this one here, and then you just pop it on the bottom, and it takes like 5 minutes instead of 3 hours of trying to struggle with all this. So I noticed my engine is a little bit too tilted down. Looks pretty level to me. Some spiders working real hard Wait, that's not a spider. What the heck is that, dude? Is that a spider? That's a weird spider. It looks like it's doing a pretty good job. Hello, spider. How's it going? It's got some bugs here and some bugs there. Bugs everywhere. Do. Catch more bugs, bro. Do it. Get them out of here, dude. Get more bugs, bro. Hello, I am Mr. Spider. I like to eat bugs. Bugs. Hello, Mr. Spider. What is that thing, dude? Is that even a spider, bro? Dude. Get off my camera, dude. You're freaking vicious, bro. Hello, everybody. This right here is a torque converter. The way it works is when it gets really hot, ow, it leaks. See, the pressure is building in here, and we have water coming out.